Hey guys, a very quick unboxing and review of the DeWalt 15-inch or 457 centimeters, 15 feet or 457 centimeters band clamp. This is the product number right here, DWHT83839. So basically what this is, probably if you got to this video, you probably know what this is already, so I don't need to introduce the product or make kind of product description, which possibly would make my job easier, but at the same time I want to show why I like this one. There are not too many varieties of this on the market. There are practically 7, no, not 7, definitely not more than 4 popular brands. Majority of those are Lowe's branded or Home Depot branded. They're good. All of them are good. Here's the thing: all of them are good, and they offer a very good functionality, very good support here at the edges. They're just minor differences to begin with. What I wanted to point out on this DeWalt, band clamp is that, first of all, what I really liked about it is that the band itself is good. I really like the thickness of the band. Other versions on the market, they have different band type. So let me try and zoom that. So that's the band. Okay. And the other thing really liked is that if you don't like the band, you can always buy a new one, right? You can always buy and just replace the band itself. But at the same time, when I'm paying this, and this is the best price on the market right now, this comes around 17 bucks as opposed to 20 something, 17 bucks at Home Depot, as opposed to over $20 on other locations, on other sellers. Then it adds up. That's all I'm saying. It just adds up. So I really like this version because it has those little notches here that are really deep. So if you have glue overflowing or something like that, this will not will not stick and will not hold later on. It will not mess with your piece, and that you'll be able to cleanly polish it after. And yep, that's it. The other thing, so the support here is based off this and those two. So that's where the support of the band lies. Right here, not across all the entire surface, if you don't count those ridges here. From my standpoint, that's all that's needed. Here and here, it doesn't affect anything. It doesn't affect structurally how it is sliding, how the band is sliding, or anything. Looks like nylon, with beefy nylon with or maybe, yeah, about 25 to 30% glass fiber reinforcement. Yeah, you can see it right there. Yep, beefy and strong. Yep. And the base The base itself, this frame is metal. This bolt, you know, the shaft is also metal. Yep, I think it's a very good design to apply pressure for a few hours and have it glued together. So I believe this is one good product that you may like from Home Depot. So thanks for watching. Bye.